As I carefully chipped away the layers of grime from the statue, my heart raced. Each stroke revealed not just the artistry of the sculptor, but something hidden, a small, engraved symbol on the base. It looked familiar, like a piece of a puzzle I'd seen in old newspaper clippings about a murder from decades ago. The town had whispered about it for years, a mystery that left families shattered. Suddenly, I wasn't just restoring a statue, I was unearthing secrets. What if this clue could finally bring closure to a story long buried? The weight of history pressed down on me, and I knew I had to dig deeper.